Okay, now we want to design the most complicated part of the wind turbine, which is called nacelle. Okay, and the first step is create a plane. This plane is like that. The reference plane is front plane, okay, and the distance of the new plane is 100 millimeter, okay, from the front plane, main front plane, okay. This is created, okay. Now in the front plane I create a sketch, something like this. This is the origin. From this origin, create a line with the length of 40 millimeters, and then from here on the right and on the left, okay, horizontally 12 millimeters. This is arc, three-point arc. This is again a line, okay. This is exactly like before, is 3-point arc, and this is a line horizontally 14 millimeters. The only important thing is that the relation between this line and this arc is a tangent, and also these two. This arc with these two lines also have a tangential relationship. After that, on the new plane that we created, exactly the same sketch but different dimension, 23, 34, like before, okay. Now there are some points in the loft. The loft is important. Why? Because we have to take care that we have to loft from this plane to this plane, okay. But there are some points here. The point is that we have to say that, okay, let's see. No. Okay. We would like to have this kind of relationships. We would like to say that we would like this loft is a normal to the profile. It means start from here, normally start from here, okay, and the loft is created, okay. Okay, now the next step is the mirror part. It means that I have to come here, I guess here, yes, mirror, select mirror, this is coming, okay. I have to select this loft and select the face must be here, and this is created, okay. Now I have to create a plane, okay. Again, with respect to the reference of the plane, front plane, this plane must have a distance 26 millimeters, okay. Okay, click. I have to sketch on that. Sketch on a new plane, it means the plane number 3. This sketch must be 100 distance from the origin and the center of the circle, okay, and the 40 millimeter in diameter, okay. Now again you have to create a loft, okay. This loft is very important. Look at that, from here to here, look, from here to here. Again you have to select the normal to profile. It means that it get out normally from the first profile and reach to the second profile. If I change this one to none, look, it's changed like this, but it's not very beautiful. So the thing is that we have to say it's normal to the first profile that we selected. Okay, it means the face number 1. Okay, first. Okay, then I have to create the sketch or rectangular. It's not important that it's fully defined on the right plane. Okay, on the right plane, if you see exactly, the right plane is in the middle of these two parts. Okay, so I create the rectangular here. Okay, what do I have to do is that okay, I wanted to cut extrude it. Okay, the cut extrude it is like this, through all from on your side. Okay, and okay, the next step is cut extrude again. Okay, this is a little bit nice. You have to create a sketch on this plane. Okay, on this plane you have to create a sketch, and you have to, from this point to this point, with the distance of the 10 millimeters. Okay, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, you have to close this pattern. Okay, close this sketch. Now you have to cut extrude it. Okay, let's see. This is cut extruded through all. Okay, is it like something like this? Let's see. Okay, very nice. Okay, then I have to create a shell. How do I have to do that? For shell, you have to get out from the sketch, completely get out from sketch. You have to come here, shell, click on shell, and click on here. Okay, but let's see the dimension of the shell that I did. Okay, let's see. I select this face for shell with the parameter, with the distance of the shell 2.54 millimeters. Okay, and it create like this. Okay, very nice. It's very nice. Okay, now this sketch is a little bit nice. You have to do that because you want to put your gearbox here, and you want to I don't know, pass your main shaft from this part. Okay, it's pretty good. And normally, if you want to see, okay, as you know, if you see, okay, first I have to create this line. Okay, how do I have to do that? I have to do that with the offset. Okay, I create the offset, okay, with the dimension of 1.72 millimeter with respect to this line. Okay, right, and this offset would be created. Okay, and then you have to create some vertical line like this with distance of 11 millimeters and 4 millimeter here, with distance of look at that, from this line is 18, and this line is okay, 16 from this line. Okay, very nice. Okay, and then after that you have to extrude it, but there is a trick here. You have to put it in up to next. It means that it is coming to reach this shell. Okay, very nice. Then I have to extract the position for the gearbox of the shaft and and also the main shaft. Here's that. This is a revolve. Okay, let's see the sketch one. Edit sketch. Okay, look at that. This is a line. This is the origin. This line is 10 millimeters from the origin. This is a center line. Look at that center line. Here is that. and you see the properties like this.